Just need to fettle, bit of fettling. This is hard work on your own. Hello one and all. Welcome to DDM Drive. You join me en route to Derbyshire Bodyshop Services in Ilkeston, who have painted up some side skirts for my Boxster. Yeah. Yeah, you join me. I'm in my van, so nothing exciting. I'm going to show you around what I'm driving today. But yeah, we're just en route there, pick them up and get them fitted on the car. So, stay tuned. Police are pulling people over. Don't pull me, don't wave me in, don't wave me in. Yeah! I obviously look too innocent. My van looks too men, they're not interested. Didn't look ropey enough to pull in, obviously. My phone. Right then, here we are. We've arrived. Derbyshire Bodyshop Services. Let's go inside and see what we can see. Right, pick the side skirts up. They're in the back there, all bubble wrapped up. Now, unfortunately, Matt's really busy today. He's got a couple of people off as well, so we didn't really have time to walk around and have a look at what he's got in there. He has got a few nice things. There's Astra GTE and a Mark III Supra, and he's got his Scoob and a Renault 5 Turbo and bits and pieces in there. But I'm going to get the side skirts fitted, and he said once they're fitted, bring the car all back up here, and he'll any imperfections or anything that I can see, he'll polish it all up. And he said bring the GoPro and we can have a good look round. So right then, we're back, and here we are, the side skirt. Got a lovely finish on it. Really pleased with the Derbyshire Bodyshop Services. Matt's done a lovely job of that. Yeah, really pleased. Now, there is only one here because I have actually fitted the one on the other side of the car. I've got this one to fit still, and I thought I'd just show you, like, time lapse and put it together so you can see me fitting it. But yeah, the one on the other side is already on. I will get a better, I'll give you a better look when it's on, but yeah, it's down there. So yeah, once it's fitted, I'll get the car back down and show you what they look like. So to go with the side skirt, got some brand new clips that go on, they go under the sill. And literally, if you can see, they will actually fit like onto there, and then the side skirt screws into them. I'll show you in better detail when I get to it. So they're all from Design excuse the train. They're all from Design 911. They are, and again, all new fixings, even all new hardware. No point putting the old rusty stuff back on. So, and they're the part numbers if anyone needs them. So those are the screws, and those are the clips. Now, when they're on Design 911 website, I couldn't actually find these. I actually rang them up, and they're listed under the 996, 911 for their side skirts, but the sills and things like that are pretty much the same. So that is exactly the same fitting. So another train, excuse the train. Yeah, so they're exactly the same. And I'll show you how all those go together on a time lapse. So that's yeah, let's crack on. Right, as you can see, got all the wheel off there. got axle stand under the back of the car, so I can get to this bit. Now this isn't exactly a how to fit the side skirts, but it gives people an idea who've got them. So you need to undo these first, take your arch liner out, remove your arch liner, remove this spat. So I will crack on with that, pop you back on time lapse. Proper annoying. Proper rusted in, that is. Don't know if you can see that. Suddenly makes a 2-minute job into a 20-minute job. Sucks. Anyway, let's crack on. Well, that was an arse. Right, before anything, gotta clean all this crud out of here. Yeah, not having all that. And all under there before fitting anything. Yeah. Now, it ain't gonna be a 2-bucket method or anything stupid like that. It's going to be scrubbing. So detailers, I look away. Like I say, not going to be a concourse or any sort of detailing contests. Going to win anything like that. You can see my H&R springs there. It's just surface rust, but the shocks are all alright. So, but yeah, much better. Ready to put all the skirts on. I hate putting new parts on dirty cars. So. Right. Brought the side skirt out, ready to fit. So, what you have to do is run some tape all along this flat edge, double-sided tape, and some foam tape that goes there. Now, that foam tape that goes there, I kid you not, right, here it is, I'm zooming on my phone. It's there, number 3, right. And where's number 3? Somewhere. Number 3, part number, adhesive film. Adhesive film, yes. Adhesive film from Porsche, or what Porsche Design 911 could get from Porsche, was about 60 quid. I'm sure it was something ridiculous like 60 quid. So all it is double-sided strong adhesive foam. Crazy. Right, next bit, try and get the side skirt to stay on. Sorry about the bubble wrap popping. The side skirt to stay on the car. Basically, great. So as I was saying, so we can line up all these clips underneath. Ow! Oh! Don't lean in them. Yeah. This is hard work on your own. I did the other one with my other half, she helped me. Might just wait till she gets back from work. Probably easier. Right, so I thought, actually, when taking the side skirt back off, but I'll show you, so your clips should look like this on your sills, just clipped over with your things screwed in. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 all the way down. And then you have one screw that goes, this bloody bubble wrap popping, and then a screw, you know, you can see them all the way along there, so. Yeah, just slot them into your side skirt mountings there. Tighten them up, and hopefully your side skirt should not come off. That's the plan. Well, that was a nightmare. Got it on. Not happy at all. It's not set where I want it to be. It's pretty solid. But I think it must have been twisted, but I'm not happy at this front end here. I'm going to have to sort that. I haven't got time now. See, the other side is a bit like the same, a bit here, but the whole skirt is on way better and it fits really nicely along that line. Yeah. Anyway, let's drop it down. Have a look, we'll see what it looks like. Right then, that's them fitted. Yeah, really pleased with how they look. Just need to get a GT3 front bumper, or Aero Kit front bumper. GT3 has fitted to the 996, 911s, and it's the same bumper that they call the Aero Kit for the Porsche Boxsters. So yeah, pleased with how the kit looks. Yeah, let me know what you think in the comments, guys. But yeah, I'm pretty pleased with that. Just need to fettle in. They're tweaking on the old mounting of them, really. But I might get Matt to do that at the body shop at Derbyshire Bodyshop Services. I might get him to do it, you know, over in Ilkeston, and because I'm going to get him to polish the car up as well. But overall, pretty pleased. Okay, so I think it deserves a wash. Well, unfortunately, it's been a couple of weeks since I've fitted the side skirts, and after I washed the car, the skirts were fine. I've been using the car, but the foam tape did start to come loose, and I thought, do you know what, this ain't gonna hold. It's just always gonna be an issue. So I've taken the skirts back off just to be on the safe side. I don't want them coming off while I'm driving. So I've booked in and going to have them fitted by Matt. They're going to use some proper body shop sealant, which will along the top edge where I'd fitted the foam. They're going to fit that there, which will bond the skirt to the car, which is, I think, how Porsche actually did it along the top edge. I didn't realise, but they did it along the top edge of that. They only used the foam tape at the front corner. So anyway, Matt's going to bond it all along there, and then use the actual fittings as they should be underneath on the sill, so it'll be bonded on properly. So that's going to be done in the next week and a half. So yeah, I'll end the video here. But no, they do look good when they're on. So I'm really pleased. So please do like and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one. Oh, also check out the DDM Facebook page and also my Instagram, ddm.drive. So yeah, check those out, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.